these days you don't need to be a pro to create digital products, or you don't have to have a degree to create digital products. AI does most of the work for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can use AI to create your first digital product, even as a beginner. Even if you are there and you have been struggling to create digital products, I'm going to show you this in this video. So before you start creating your digital product, first of all, you need to find an idea. Yes, before you create anything, you are supposed to have that idea in your head. For example, the person who created this microphone, before they put it into action like the way it is right now, what they had first was an idea of it before the physical product came out. So this is the same thing that applies to your digital products. Before you create it, you're supposed to have an idea in your head, in your mind, what digital product do I want to create, or where do I start from? And nowadays, with the use of AI, it's simple and easy. You can use AI to create these ideas, or if you have an idea, you can put it in AI, and AI will guide you on how you can bring it to work and turn it into a digital product. So the first step is to get an idea. For example, you can go to AI like ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT here. So you can come here on ChatGPT and ask it what you want to create. Yes, you can come here to ChatGPT and put in, for example, this prompt: give me digital product ideas. Here you put in your niche. Maybe your niche is about maybe pets, or dog, or dogs, or is it about home decor, or is it about making money, or is it about moms, or is it about children? You can put in here your niche. For example, if your niche is fitness, you can go to AI and ask it, give me digital product ideas in my niche, which is maybe fitness. You can ask it, give me digital product ideas in making money online. Give me digital product ideas in self-care. Maybe give me digital product ideas in affiliate marketing. Give me digital product ideas on how to create content on YouTube. Or maybe you have an idea and you have expertise in it. Maybe you've been a teacher once and you want to create a digital product about that. You can come here and put in your niche and put that in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will go ahead to help you create that digital product. And if you feel like you are stuck or that is not helping you, I've created a beginner's guide. It's for free. Yes, you can go ahead, download it, and it will walk you step by step on how you can find that right idea that you can go ahead and use to create your digital product. So I'll leave the link to it in the description below. Yes, and it's simple and easy. So you just use AI, and I'm not saying that you can only use ChatGPT. There are a lot of good AIs there. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Cloud, you can use DeepSync or Gemini, anyone you want. But in this example, I'm giving you ChatGPT as an example. Then step number two, creating your own content. Yes, creating your own content. Excuse me, creating your own content about that one topic that you have chosen. Yes, once you pick an idea, use AI to create the content for it. Yes, maybe you are not good at English like me, you are not born from an English speaking country, or you have this idea but you don't know how to write, or you are not sure about some spelling errors, or writing is not for you. Yes, you can use AI to help you do the writing, and you can go ahead, design the product or edit it. You can, for example, maybe AI has given you an ebook, a planner, or a guide about maybe meal prep, or maybe how to make a baby sleep. So you can ask it for AI to write you a chapter. Maybe you are writing a storybook for kids for Amazon KDP, or a storybook about romance or anything. So you can come here, also ask AI to write for you these chapters. For example, let me give you an example here because I don't want to just be talking. So if I come here on ChatGPT, for example, I say, give me digital products ideas in, let me say, about about pets. So it's going to give you digital product ideas about pets. So as you can see, these are the digital product ideas that it has given me. Digital product ideas for pet niche, one pet cleaner planner, high in demand. And the good thing about it, it will tell you whether if what you are creating is in high in demand or people are not interested in it. Yes, that's the good thing about it. So it has told you what you can do and the ideas that people have: dog daily routine planner, puppy trainer tracker, vaccination record, and another two is pet training printables. Number three is pet themed wall art. So you can come here and choose from them. So for example, you want to choose this one, maybe dog walking planner business, then we can come here, copy this and put it down here and ask ChatGPT to write us maybe a book, an ebook about it, and we can go ahead and ask it to write it for us according to different chapters. See, it has also gone ahead to suggest for us where we can sell this our digital product. But because I don't want the video to get longer, let us go back to our slide so that we can keep going. So that's how you can go on with the AI. You keep on building with it the product that you exactly want, and before you know, you already have a complete digital product that you have created even without experience. And as I've told you, even if you are a beginner and you are completely stuck, you don't have any idea, I've created this roadmap to guide you on the way. It will hold you hand by hand, and you can contact me if there is anything you want to know more. It can walk you step by step on how you can start your digital product business. Yes. So you can choose from a either ebook, plan, a guide according to the way that I've shown you. That's how you can go ahead use ChatGPT. And the next step is designing your product. Yes, designing your product is also not that hard. Don't say I am not a designer. How can I go ahead to design your product? I've done so many videos on this channel showing you how you can design your product, design your ebook. Yes, and one of the tools that I recommend and the one I use is Canva. Actually, it's the one that I'm using to record right now. So you can use Canva to create your ebook, to add text in the book, to add layouts in the book, and you can make it look professional. It's not difficult. And if you have some money to spend at hand, you can go to websites like Fiverr, to you give the person your idea and they can go ahead to create the book for you. Yes, and step four on how you can use AI to create your digital product is setting up your digital product. All of these steps that I'm showing you, they are very important. You can't skip any of them and think you are going to get out with the right digital product. You're supposed to follow them step by step so that your product comes out the way you want it. Yes, so set up and you can upload this to platforms like Grammarly, like the way already ChatGPT has shown us here. When we came here to do the research for our product, it has also told us that we can list this product on Grammarly. Yes. And if you don't want to list your product there, there are also other platforms where you can sell digital products. You can sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, on platforms like Stan Store or Payhip. There are so many, Amazon, KDP. You can list your digital products right there and they will still get attention and people will see them and they will still buy them as long as your product is good. The most important thing is providing value. Yes, if you create a product that is in need and people are already searching for it, they'll go ahead to pay you because people are always looking for solutions to their problems. So if you come with a solution to their problem, maybe for example, that example I gave you about pets, and you have the right solution because a lot of people are into pets. Some keep them at home, some have cats, some have dogs. Yes, so as long as you have created the right digital product, then people are going to pay you because you are solving the problem that has been giving them sleepless nights. Yes, you are solving a problem that has been giving them sleepless nights. And the next step, since now you have created your product, is to get traffic. Yes, and this is where most people get stuck, because when they create their product and they are not they are not driving traffic to it, nobody's going to buy it. As long, no matter how good it is, no matter how cute it is, maybe you have designed like a puppy planner, you've put in some cute dogs to make it look beautiful, design the cover so properly, but if nobody sees it, no, if nobody knows it exists, nobody is going to pay you that money that you are looking for. So you are supposed to do the hard work and drive traffic to your digital product. But if you are using platforms like Etsy, they have in building traffic. Also, Amazon has in building traffic. But the thing to those platforms, they have a lot of competition, because a lot of people don't want to do a lot of work to drive the traffic. That's the other downside to it. So creating the product is only half the work. Now you need traffic, and this is where platforms like Pinterest comes in. Yes, and the good thing about Pinterest is that you don't have to be a content creator to use Pinterest to start driving traffic to your digital product. Yes, and opening up Pinterest is also not difficult. All you need is a email address, and you open up, and I would advise you to open a business account, because if you open a business account, then Pinterest will be pushing your product to the right people, because they know you are using this product, your Pinterest account, excuse me, for selling digital products. For example, if we come here on Pinterest and search our idea that we got, the idea about pets. So if we come here on Pinterest and search maybe pet planner, you can come here and search. And another way on how you can do your products research, you can come here on Pinterest and see what other people are creating, how their planners look like. Are they good, are they not good? For example, if we come here, we can see digital downloadables, digital digital and printable installment. It's for pet, digital pet planner. So as you can see, excuse me, there are so many of them here, and people are also selling this idea. So you can come here and see how other people's products look like. I'm not saying copy and paste, but it gives you an idea in mind to see how other people's have created, how they have designed, how you can improve and be one step ahead of them. So for example, you see this one looks cute, and it's being sold on Etsy, and it's a pet planner template. So it's looking so cute and so beautiful. Yes, and it was simple. And when we see here, it looks like it was made using AI to come up with those cute graphics that we have seen there. So you can use Pinterest like the way these people are using it, and you'll be linking your digital product to, maybe is it Etsy or Gramout or any other platform you want to use to create your digital product. Yes, so that's how you can be using Pinterest to drive traffic to your product. It's simple and easy. Just create pins using Canva. Yes, and it will be simple and easy for you, because Canva has already inbuilt templates that you can use. So if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to like, to comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to grab my free guide that is going to walk you step by step on how you can start your digital product business. See you in the next video.